In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your code review limits on GitHub, a crucial step to ensure your project maintains the level of quality and control you need. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, take a moment to open your browser and head over to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice an icon, which represents your profile. It's often displayed as your chosen avatar or a default silhouette icon. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with a variety of options to manage your account settings. You're going to want to focus on the option labeled Settings, which will be a few options down. A simple click on Settings will navigate you to a new page where you'll find various configurations for your GitHub account. Now, on the left-hand side of this new Settings page, you'll find a sidebar filled with different categories. What you're looking for is labeled Moderation. This section is designed to give you control over how contributions are managed within your repositories. Go ahead and select it to reveal more options. As you explore the Moderation section, you'll need to locate and click on Code Review Limits. This particular feature allows you to specify which users have the permission to approve changes or request modifications in your pull requests for public repositories. Ensuring that only trusted contributors have these capabilities can significantly enhance the security and integrity of your project. When you're ready, you'll see an option that says Limit Reviews on All Repositories. This is the golden button that puts the control back into your hands regarding who can participate in your code review process. By clicking this button, you're effectively restricting the users who are allowed to make important decisions on your pull requests. And there you have it. Once you click that button, your configuration is complete. In conclusion, managing code review limits is a simple yet powerful way to maintain the quality of your code base on GitHub. Taking the time to set up these restrictions ensures that only trusted individuals can shape the final product of your work. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. And remember, maintaining control over your code reviews is a vital part of solid project management on GitHub. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit and subscribe for more insightful